Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install the PrinterCo Windows app on your computer and configure it to automatically print orders from your website. Before we begin, make sure you've already registered an account with PrinterCo. If you haven't done that yet, don't worry. We have separate tutorials for account creation and printer registration. You can find those linked in the description below. Alright, let's start with the installation. First, head over to our website, printerco.net. On the homepage, you'll find a download option for the Windows app. Click on Download Now and the file will begin downloading. Once it's downloaded, locate the .exe file and double-click it to start the installation process. If you see a security message like Windows protected your PC, go ahead and click Run anyway. Click Yes when prompted, then follow the installation steps. Click Next. Next again. Confirm the install location and then click Install. Once it's done, click Finish. You'll now see the PrinterCo app icon on your desktop. Installation complete. Now that the app is installed, let's add a printer to your PrinterCo panel. If you don't have a PrinterCo account yet, please check out our tutorial on how to create one. It's completely free and includes a 15-day trial so you can test everything out. From your dashboard, click on Add Printer. Then click Generate Serial Number and hit OK. Next, click Submit and then Register Now. You'll now select the type of device you're using. Since we're installing the Windows app with a printer, choose Windows app and printer from the drop-down and click Submit. Then click Continue to add the device. On the next screen, you'll need to fill in two required fields. Device Manager Password, this is the password you'll use to log into the PrinterCo app. Business name. For this tutorial, I'll just enter Demo Store. You can leave the other fields empty or fill them in if you want to store additional info. Once done, scroll down and click Submit. A notification might appear. Don't worry, it's just a general message about billing for the Windows app. Nothing is charged during your free trial. And that's it. Your new printer is now added to your dashboard. Now let's connect the app to your printer. Go back to your dashboard. You'll see the printer you just added. Click on Settings, then View. Here you'll find your printer ID and device manager password. These two details are what you'll use to log into the app. Open the PrinterCo app from your desktop. Enter your printer ID, in this case it's 9219, and paste the password from your dashboard. Click Login. Great, you're now logged into the PrinterCo app. Next, we'll select the actual POS printer you want to use. Click on Settings, then Printer Settings. You'll see a list of all the printers currently connected to your computer or POS system. Make sure your printer is installed and ready. Once it appears in the list, select it. In this case, I'll use the POS 80 printer. It's already selected, but you can choose the one you want from the list. That's it. Your printer is now linked and ready to print orders automatically. Now let's test the setup by placing a test order. Go to your dashboard and click Submit a test order. Give it a few seconds. The order may take a little while to appear. Once the order comes through, you'll see a pop-up notification. You can accept or reject the order. For this example, I'll accept the order and enter a preparation time, let's say 30 minutes. And just like that, the order is printed successfully. As you can see, it's a delivery order and everything has gone through perfectly. But what if you want to make things completely automatic? Let me show you how. From your dashboard, go to the printer settings. You'll see options to automate order handling. For example, you can choose to automatically accept all orders and skip setting a delivery time. I'll enable both options and click Save. Now let's place another test order. This time, you'll notice that the order is accepted automatically. No buttons to press, no manual input needed, and the order is printed instantly. Everything works fully automated. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.